Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with a new video. This is gonna be another Vlogmas day. It's gonna be a vlogging day, you guys. So let me break it down to y'all. Well, before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Chyna. I go by Chyna. And this channel is a little bit about everything. My vlogs channel is about a little bit of everything. So for today's video, it's a vlogging day today. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna be basically, I have to get this room in order, you guys. I'm so embarrassed to actually show you guys this room. Like, it's really bad. Like, I've never gotten my room this dirty, you guys. It's so dirty. And I also want to get rid of some of my clothes and stuff because I want to switch up my wardrobe. Your girl is turning 24 next month, so you know I gotta look apart, y'all. I need to stop wearing these kiddie-ish clothes. I have so much clothes that I honestly have never worn, or I've worn like once probably, and probably never gonna wear again, but I still have it in my closet or in my drawer just because I think that I will possibly one day wear it, which I most of the time don't happen. So what I'm gonna do is go through all my clothes, literally all my clothes. I actually don't really have that much clothes because before we moved in here, which was about a year ago, I kind of sorted out my clothes and gave a lot away. So we're gonna do this again. So I kind of don't really have that much clothes, but I still do have a lot of clothes that I absolutely don't wear, don't need in my closet. And I'm trying to, you know, change up my wardrobe, and you know, and I want to make space for my new clothes, you know, my new big girl clothes, you feel me? So I'm gonna go through that, and then I'm going to clean up this room. I'm gonna do a deep cleaning, you guys, because this room is dirty. Like, I don't even want to show you guys, but I'm gonna have to show you guys, but this room is dirty. Like, there's no ifs about this room is dirty. And I also have a new bed, a new bed frame, so I'm gonna try to see if I have time to set that up today too. So I'm gonna probably do the cut this video in half, do a part one where I just organize, declutter my clothes and stuff like that, and then part two is gonna be me arranging the room and doing decorations and all that good stuff. So I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. First, I'm just gonna go through everything. Okay guys, so you guys, I have a very like, this room is tiny. Like, this room is very tiny, and my closet is extra tiny. So I mean, my closet, I honestly don't have much in there. I mostly have like my work clothes, some of my church clothes, and you know, because of quarantine, I honestly don't wear anything in that closet. Honestly, most of my clothes that I usually wear is in my drawers. But I want to, you know, just make you guys aware, my closet is literally a box. It's so tiny. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking right now. This is it. I should really put like something up there so I can have room to put like some boxes and stuff like that up there. That's gonna be another day for that project, because not this video. So this is all the clothes that I have. This is like my church clothes and stuff. As you can see, my closet is not big at all. Mostly the things that I have up that I use is like my work clothes, which I use mostly every day. And then I have some other clothes in the back that I'm gonna go through and stuff like that for you guys. And then right now, I have some shoes on the side, and then I have like my dirty piles right here, and then this is supposed to be my clean pile, and then I have like this thing on the floor. And you guys, that's about it, honestly. That's my closet. And then I have like this rack where I keep like my towel to dry off after I bathe, and then I have some purses underneath here. These purses were actually back here, but yeah. So this is my bed, you guys. My bed is messy, and I'm changing the bed. I don't like it anymore, and I want a new bed. So, and yeah, so if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave the links down below. Well, I'm gonna try to sell it. So if you guys are interested in this bed, let me know, because it'll be for sale. But anyways, so these are clothes that I actually washed, and I haven't had time to, you know, fold them or do anything to them because your girl was sick all week. so I'm gonna fix these after I get everything in order. Now we're gonna go through my, so this is like my bathing suits, my scarves, belts and stuff like that that I barely use this, you guys. This is my underwear drawer. This is like my shirt drawer. There's a lot of shirts in here that I honestly have never worn. So we're gonna get through everything. So this is the before. This is like dress combined with like, yeah, this is like, I think this is like the dress drawer. This is like the, honestly I don't know what drawer this is. This is like the pants slash skirt slash a lot of everything honestly in this drawer. So we're gonna get through all of this, y'all. And then the last one is my jeans. I actually got rid of a lot of my jeans because they don't fit me anymore. So yeah, you guys, so as you guys can see, I have a lot of work to do. Okay, your girl have a lot of work to do. So yeah, so this is what we looking like right now. Alright, you guys, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna literally take all my clothes out the closet and all the racks and just put them on my bed. I have so much clothes. Alright, you guys, so this is what we have right now. This is what we're looking like right now. Alright, these are my jeans. These are my skirts and whatever you want to call them. As you guys can see, I have a bunch of stuff. You know what, let me put this purse right here. Here you guys, so let's get right into it. Alright, y'all, so out of the clothes that was in my closet, this one, this shiny one, and this is like a dress slash, it just got too small for me. This was my birthday dress for my 22nd birthday, I believe. It was actually really cute, but I'm too big, I can't fit it no more. So these are the only 3 things that I ended up not getting from my closet. So I'm gonna put them on the side. Then we're gonna get started on these right now. Alright, you guys, so let me take out these glasses because there's a glare. I kind of have everything settled. Honestly, guys, I didn't get rid of much, honestly, because I just couldn't. Well, I mean, all the things that I have right now, I feel like I use them. You know, maybe not as much as I want to because of quarantine and all that stuff, because we can't go nowhere, but all the ones I kept, I feel like I just couldn't let them go. So the ones that I don't want, So this is the pile that that's a no-no, that I'm not throwing away, but I don't know if I'm gonna give them away or throw them away. I'm not really sure yet what I'm gonna do with it. But these are the no-no pile, and this is all the pile of the shirts, clothes, dresses, whatever, everything that I'm gonna fold and put them back in the drawers and stuff like that. So this is the lucky pile. It's actually pretty big, honestly. I'm finally done going through all my stuff, and honestly, I feel like everything looks the same. I feel like not much has changed really, but I mean, I do have a lot of things that that I kind of got rid of. So let's start with them. All right, so these are the stuff that I am giving out. Well, not giving out, but things that I'm not really using anymore, that I don't really wear anymore. A lot of jeans and jeans that don't really fit me anymore and stuff like that. So I'm glad I got these out the way. So it's a pretty small pile, but it's still something, you feel me? So now I have a lot more room. This is my shirts. Got my shirts, they're all over here. It's like the long sleeve. These are like the ones, the short sleeve, and then here is like the no sleeve, you know, shirts. So it's nicely, and there's actually more space. If I want to add more stuff in there, I can add more shirts in there. Over here I've got rid of a lot of stuff because look, I have all these extra space. So this is like my dresses slash jackets, not even jacket, like little sweaters or whatever, and then my scarves are like right here because I didn't know where to put them. And here we have my bottoms. I have like my skirts or right here, my skirts, my pants, like my not jeans, but like pants and stuff, and my shorts right here. This is actually a jumpsuit overall. I actually should put it with the jeans. Actually, I'm gonna put it with the jeans. And these are like just pants, like dress pants that I have. And then lastly, my jeans. Look, you guys, like my jeans are all gone. Oh, I'm so ashy. My jeans are all gone, you guys, but that's okay, because let me see, I have like about 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have about 9 pair, and I actually bought 5 pair that's over here. I just have to fold them. I actually have to do a haul with them, so I'm not folding them to put them in the thing yet. So, but these are the new. I did buy like 5 pair of jeans, so I'm gonna fold them after I'm done and put them right there, so there's plenty of space for them. So yeah, you guys, my closet honestly looks the same. Most of the clothes, I probably took out like 1 or 2, like 2 to 5 pieces of clothing. But other than that, most of them, these are like my winter jackets, which I barely wear because we live in Florida. Florida don't get cold, except for like the few days in December. And that's about it. Everything else is still the same. This is my dirty pile. This is just like my sleeping clothes, my towel, sleeping clothes, workout outfits, and my towels. And these are just my dirty clothes. I need to do laundry. Hey guys, that's about it. My room is still dirty, so now that I'm done sorting out my clothes and stuff like that, I'm gonna take a break, eat and all that stuff, and then later on I'm gonna actually start cleaning everything and getting rid of all the craziness because this room is a mess. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for coming along with me to sorting out my clothes, the clothes that I have. I didn't really sort out much, but I mean I did go through all of them, so at least I did go through all of them and really see which ones I like or not. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2. It's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna redecorate everything. Well, not really, just my bed and a few decorations here there, and take some things out of my room because it's too crowded. So yeah you guys, so the secret word for the end of this video is clutter. So if you're done, well no, I lied. So if you're done watching this video, please comment down below declutter with a smiley face, or just put declutter is fine. So yeah guys, I will see you guys on my next vlog slash video slash whatever. I'll see you guys later. Bye.